What's going on, y'all? It's Dime, and today we're going to be restoring this old knife I picked up at a flea market. This is a Maxim Incorporated, Dallas, Texas, USA. This is the company that ordered this, and then Japan is where this is made. I didn't see that when I bought it, but the liner's got all corroded. It's got all on the blade and stuff, so we got to clean everything up and get it looking new again. Yeah, let's get to it. Alright, we're going to start with Neverdull, see if that'll get the stuff off of the blade. I think it will. It's not the blade that's corroding, it was the liners, so I think all this will come off pretty easy. The liners are going to be the big problem. Alright, it's not getting it all off. I'm about to hit it with some fine sandpaper or maybe the fine wheel on the pitch grinder. Let me get it cleaned up. Next, I'm just going to take some 400 grit sandpaper and some rim oil. You could use WD-40 or whatever, some kind of lubricant, and try and wet sand all this off. I'm okay with losing that little printing on the blade. It's stamped on there. I don't know why they printed it too, but let's get this cleaned up. A lot better than it was already. Let's start getting these liners cleaned up. Alright, y'all. That turned out pretty good. I didn't know those were brass liners. I realize they're not perfectly clean. What I need to do is get a Dremel and wire wheel. I could probably sit there and mess with it longer and get more of it, but it's functional right now. When I get a Dremel, I'll be going back over this one, make it truly cleaned up. But that's pretty good. It's usable now. Not all gross like it was. So there might be a part 2 to this, and maybe making a belt sheath for it. Y'all stay tuned for that. I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. If you find yourself coming back to this content anyway, might as well subscribe. It's free. It really helps me out. Also, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Comment below. Let me know what you think. If you've heard of this company before, I hadn't until I saw it at the flea market. And I thought I found some old USA stuff, and not until I got home did I realize the other side says Japan on it. So, oh well, it is what it is. It's a big knife. It's pretty sturdy. It's chunky. It's cool. Might be fun to practice doing some customization on it, whatever. But yeah, thank you all very much for watching. Until next time.